Most welcome students once again in part 4th of tense. In this part we will see about the future tense. In details we will see the rules, interrogative sentences, negative sentences and simple sentences. Then first of all we have to start with tense of simple present tense. Before that we have to see kinds of future tense. As you know it very well, there are 4 kinds of future tenses: simple future tenses, future continuous or progressive tense, future perfect tense or future continuous tense. These are the 4 types of future tenses. One by one we will see about this type of tenses. First of all we are going to take simple future tenses. Now see what is simple future tense. The simple future is a verb tense that is used to talk about things that haven't happened yet this year. We will read War and Peace. Use the simple future to talk about the action or condition that will begin and end in the future. We shall get married in September. He will help us later. She will be late. It will rain tomorrow. These are the simple future, simple sentences. And then we have to see about interrogative sentence. Will it hurt? When will you travel? Will you come to the party? Will it be windy tomorrow morning? These are interrogative sentences of simple future tense. Now negative sentences. She won't do the ironing. We shall not go to the theatre. I shall not go to the cemetery. She won't watch. Now see future continuous tense. The future continuous tense, sometimes also referred to as the future progressive tense, is a verb tense that indicates that something will occur in the future and continue for an expected length of time is called future continuous tense or future progressive tense. Some examples: he will be coming to the meeting. I guess you will be feeling thirsty after working in the sun. You will be missing the sunshine once you are back in England. Interrogative sentences. Will you be bringing your friend to the pub tonight? Will Jim be coming to us? Will she be going to the party tonight? Shall I be sleeping in this room? Some example of negative sentences. The children will not be walking to school when it's snowing. You won't be doing much cooking this week. I will not be going to bed late tonight. Now see future perfect tense in details. First of all, definition of future perfect tense. The future perfect is a verb form or constructions used to describe an event that is expected or planned to happen before a time of reference in the future, such as have finished in the English sentence, I will have finished by tomorrow. Rohan will have married Aditi by then. The storm will have raged by the time we arrive. Mom will have cooked our favorite meal. Will you have married Aditi by then? Will mom have cooked our favorite food? Will the plant have grown by then? I will not have eaten by then. He will not have ran by 10 o'clock. Aditya will not have saved enough money at future perfect continuous tense. With more examples and definition, now see what is future continuous perfect continuous tense. The future perfect continuous tense is also sometimes called the future perfect progressive, is a verb tense that describes actions that will continue up until a point in the future, is called future perfect continuous tense. In November, I shall have been working at my company for 3 years. At 5 o'clock, I will have been waiting for 30 minutes. I shall have been playing piano for 21 years. This summer, they will not have been living here for even a year. They will not have been cooking for very long. I shall not have been running long enough to try a marathon this year. Shall I have been studying hard for my exams since Sunday? Will we have been going to work for 2 weeks? Will Ram have been sleeping at 11 pm since Saturday? Future tense chart, simple future, future continuous, future perfect and future perfect continuous tense with example. One example is already given. Structure you can see, structure means it's a rule of future tense you can see for separate and go through the examples to learn about the simple future, perfect continuous, perfect and other tenses. Thank you for watching. To be continued with Param Siddhesh educator students. Thus we completed all the tenses till part 1, part 2, part 3 and part 4.